What's going on, everybody? It's Echo597. Today, my camera's not even on. Hold on. Wait. There's you can't even see me. Okay. Hold on. Alright, now you can see me. What's up? I look pretty fucking sexy. Okay, ignore that. Alright. What's going on, guys? Echo597. Today I am going to show you how to use remote play from your PS4 with just one controller and no LAN cable, because the LAN cable will frequently lag your gameplay and it would just be unplayable. So I'm going to show you how to do it without using the wire to the PC. Here we go. Alright, as you can see on screen, we got the PS4 remote play right here. Okay, now basically you want to click on your PS4 remote play, and it always checks for updates, keeps you notified. So usually when you would go in here, you would have to sign into a PS network. Some people don't know about the settings and stuff, but over off to the left, at the bottom left of the open software settings, you come in here. You have your sign in. You can change your resolution to 1080 720p standard or low. I have mine to best because when I put it on 720p, it drops frames. So I put it to best, and I put my frame rate to high because it drops frames a lot if I put it on standard. So that's why I have it to high. So I have it to high, 1080p. Now it will give you a message that this 1080p is only for this type of something. I don't care. I just clicked OK and it works pretty great. It works pretty good for what it is. It does drop frames every now and then, but that's only if multiple people are using the Wi-Fi at the same time. So say you have like 3 or 4 people using the Wi-Fi all at once and you're trying to stream or record a video, your remote play is not going to work that great. But if it's just you and you and one other person, then you'll be completely fine. It's harmless. But if it's just you, just shoot every stream, bitrate, everything. And to test your speed connection, you can go to speed test, go to Google, search up speed test, and you can look it up like that. Click the first link on the speed test in Google and it will test your speeds, your upload and download speed. So basically we're gonna move on and get right into this. So basically usually you would have to sign in, and when you sign in you'd have to get a LAN cable and plug it into your PC that's over here. You're not gonna, my PC's over here, I'm not gonna show you, but I'll show you later. But there's a way you can do it without using the same account. Some people are like, you gotta use 2 controllers, but you don't need 2 controllers. All you need is the one you have right here, the one you're gonna play with, the one that is all charged up and ready to go. It's good to have a backup controller though, so you can, like, say you run out of battery right here, you could just switch over really quick. But there's you only need one. No LAN cable, nothing. So basically what you need to do is we're gonna transfer over to the PS4. So here we go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are now in our PS4. So what you need to do now, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to where, before you, like, you know how you turn on your PS4 and you press the PS button and then you have to click on one of the accounts that you want to play with, but you want to play with your main account that has the PS Plus on it. So basically what you want to do, before you click on your PS4 Plus, which I'm going to show you right here, is basically right here, this screen right here. Okay, I'm gonna blur out all these names so you don't know who I am. But you want to click on new user and you want to create another account. You want to create an account, create an email, whatever. You can use a fake email if you want. They have websites where you can make fake emails and everything. You can just have that. What you want to do is you want to create a basically fake account for your PS4. I swear PS4 is probably gonna ban me after this, but you want to create a whole nother profile. So you got your main account and then you got your fake account. Okay, so you get your fake account, you log in, everything's nice and easy. So you're in to the account. It's gonna log me out of remote play because I just clicked on it. Okay, but it's okay, it does that. And that's what would happen if you're trying to play on your main account. If you log into remote play and then you sign in with remote play to the main account, it would do exactly what it is right now. And basically, to go back to this, it always does that whenever I'm on stream. It shows like 2 screens, but I'm gonna have to close out of Streamlabs and then go back in. Once you make the fake account, come back to this video right here. Alright guys, so what you want to do now is basically you want to sign in to your PlayStation account right here. Right here where it says PlayStation Network is going to say sign in. You sign into your fake account that you have on your PS4, the one that you're not going to use for any of your recordings or streams or anything like that. Make the fake account, sign in, set your resolution, set your frame rate and everything, and then click OK, and then you start it. So when it starts up, it's going to connect to your PS4. It may take a while, but you know, it'll connect. So I'm going to close out of Streamlabs again because it will not do away with the whole like the remote play thing in the background. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, we're back again for like hopefully the final time. So here is where all the pieces come together, the puzzle pieces of the problem solving, the binary codes, everything. Okay, so basically we logged into the fake account. This is the fake account right here. This is what's displaying on your TV if you have another TV. I play on a 32-inch TV sometimes whenever I like to record videos on my own time. But if you're using like a streaming software like XSplit, Broadcaster, or Streamlabs, what I'm using right now, I'm using Streamlabs OBS, or you can use the regular OBS broadcast, or if you have other, you know, softwares that you can use to record, and do that. You can also use YouTube to record, so you can record to YouTube and live stream and everything. So everybody knows that. What am I talking about? Okay, so now I've used sign in. So if you're trying to stream on your computer, if you have a computer or a laptop, if you have a laptop, that's fine too, and you do the remote play to the PS4, you have to open remote play first and then open the streaming software afterwards, whatever you're streaming to. So you open remote play, then you open Streamlabs after remote play is open. So it won't have like this thing up here in the corner. You can't see my mouse, but so after you have opened remote play, create your fake account and everything, so now we're gonna get into the most easiest thing ever. So I'm gonna show this in the camera. Okay, here's my controller, here's the thing, it's off. So once you sign in to your once you click on the profile, your fake profile, you want to click on your fake profile, okay, and then sign into your fake profile on remote play, and it's going to disconnect you from the PS4 because you're signed in on the computer on remote play. So what you want to do is you want to hit this right here. Now it's going to want you to choose which account you're on. So you're on that. Now it's going to show you which account you want to play on. It thinks, remote play thinks you're on this account that's highlighted right now. But you don't want to use that one. You want to use the one where it has the PS Plus on it. So you want to go to the one that has the PS Plus. So you click X on that one. And now what remote play thinks is that you're still using the other account. But now you're connected to PS4, and what do you do next? All you got to do is just hit this once, and it goes to your PS Plus account. But remote play thinks you're still on your other account. So basically you're on two accounts at the same time, but you're playing on your main account on the controller, and there's no lag or anything. It works perfectly. See, I'm gonna go right, 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 left, 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 left. Works perfectly. One controller, no LAN cable to the PC. I'm still playing on the PS4. All you gotta do is create a fake account. I could have just said that from the beginning. Why did I have to make this whole video? And it does lag from time to time, but that's because I have people on the internet. I really gotta get my own internet. But I'm gonna end this video right now. If you liked it, leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this on what I use, streaming software, how I make like my videos and thumbnails, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll get back with you when I can. And I also will be posting a lot of Modern Warfare when that comes out. That's gonna be fun. I'm so ready. This comes out in 6 days. You probably won't see this video until it comes out in 3 days, but I'll get back with you when I can. Peace out.